Good morning. I love the response found in today's Psalm, Psalm 16. And I set my face towards the Lord. I know that the direction of my life. I'm looking at where I should be going and how I should get there. The Lord is my strength and my hope. If I live out of that context, it will change my attitude. I won't trip over the obstacles on the road of life, as we so easily can do. What do I set before my face? It is so easy for me to decide on the material things, how we can build this better, how we can organize this better, how we can gather more people together. All good things, but I've got to set the Lord before my face, because otherwise I will go down the side roads of life and I will not be able to accomplish what God makes a possibility for me to make my life fruitful and grateful.